Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be mixing up some Master Blend. I did it last time with my iPhone and it was even too hard for me to see. So hopefully this time we'll be able to both see it. So the first thing we're going to check is our pH of our water before we add anything to it. Now it's coming in at 7.96, 7.99, so it's pretty high for normal fertilizing plants. But after you add the Master Blend, it's going to come down, so let's get started with that. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a half gallon of water, or somewhere near about that, and it's a half-gallon jug. Going to take a half gallon, put some water in it, and the first thing I'm going to do is put 10 grams of the Master Blend fertilizer. Reset mine to 0. Okay. Then we're going to do 10 grams of Master Blend. That's 8, 9, there we go, 10 grams. And that'll be dropped into the water. And then the other thing we're going to add, let me close this up. I buy my Master Blend in a larger quantity from Morgan Seed Company, and you can get it in larger quantities than what they sell on Amazon. If you buy on Amazon, you get all 3 mixtures, but I prefer quantity. Okay, then you want the Epsom salt, the magnesium sulfate, at 5 grams. There's 4, 5 grams of the Epsom salt, or the magnesium sulfate. Drop that in there. Then what I do is shake this up and then drop it in the 5-gallon bucket, and then do the last one, the calcium nitrate, last, because it doesn't seem to blend right with the other guys. So I shake this up here. There we go. I'll wipe my hands. We drop our first 2 mixes in the bucket. I'm going to give that a little stir. Then I'm going to go back and draw, again, water out of the bucket for the last mix. That is 10 grams of the calcium nitrate. 10. And that goes in the water. And we're going to shake that up. I'll even give it a minute to dissolve here before I shake it. Turn this guy off, we're done with it. Scales are pretty cheap at Amazon. For about $10 you can get yourself a scale that measures in grams, and it makes life a whole lot easier than trying to figure out if you did it right with the tablespoon and the teaspoon stuff. Almost ready. There we go. Now, okay, then loosen this up. I think my cap is getting rusty. Need a new one. It's getting harder to open. Okay, then I dropped that into the mix as well. So now I have all 3, the calcium nitrate, the magnesium sulfate, and the Master Blend. So now I can stir them all up again. I use a piece of PVC pipe. Yeah, I have a lot of different pieces of PVC pipe because of the different hydroponics that I'm doing. Okay, let's check the pH of the water, and it did drop. It's 6.56, 6.6 now. So we only need to bring it down a little bit. So over here I have the regular distilled white vinegar, and I'm just going to get just a tad, just a little bit in there. See, it's and we'll stir that up. I don't think it takes too much. Oh, I got to cover that guy up. It smells. Let me check it again. 5.5, 5.4. Excellent. So we're all done. So now this fertilizer can be used right away on all your hydroponics. And that's about it. Have fun gardening or have fun hydroponics. Speak to you soon. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.